Today I'm going to be recreating this picture from Pinterest, and it starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Today is very special for me. It's my very first collaboration, and I chose Snaps and Fools. I am a Snapple. I've been a Snapple since day one. If you want to see how I recreated this editorial look right here, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I am going to move over to the side and let you guys see the picture that I'm about to recreate. We are going to recreate this. So to use this, I'm going to dip into BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. Alright, let's start with some pastel pink. The third one down. I'm just going to place this in the inner corner and blend upwards. Alright, now that the pink has been laid down, we're going to start building into that pink. So let's dip into a darker pink. This is like a fuchsia. It'll be right here. And we're going to deepen in the inner crease and on the inner aspect of the eye. You guys. Alright, now I'm gonna do the same thing with this line as well as this line. Let's just darken up the outer aspect. Now I'm going to work on the outer aspect. Let me pop up the picture one more time. This is more of a teal blue color, which is in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I love, love, love this color. On a fresh crease blender, I'm going to begin stamping it in the outer portion and crying it down. Let's start right about here. Ooh, hi Pigment. How are you? So I see that the outer aspect of this portion is basically just a straight line. So I'm going to first prime that area. Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place. Alright, now on to the darkest portion of this look is the dark blue. And I'm going to use an angled eyeshadow brush and a little bit of setting spray. Really want that color to be super pigmented, and let's go. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be. Alright, for the little white part, and we're just going to begin making little dots here and there. Go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find. Alright, for the actual contour line, I'm just going to use a white concealer and then set it with some white shadow. All those lights lying by it is a nude lip, so I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in the shade Ashton, and then we're going to, of course, add detail liner afterwards.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rolled off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it.
So we're just gonna give that a couple of moments to dry down. And then of course we're going to add the very last detail, which is kind of a circle shape on the lip. Let's go ahead and do the detail. For the very last and final step, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Eye Studio in Blackest Black to tightline my waterline.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling.
Alright, now this is my collaboration partners.
Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you.
Now, if you are not already a Snapple, I will link her channel in the description box. You should really check her out. She is creating stunning looks on the regular. I have been a Snapple since day one, so make sure you check out her channel. It'll be linked in the description box. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have. This was my first collaboration, and honestly, I think I did good. What do you guys think? If at any point during this video y'all were having fun, don't forget to shoot me a big thumbs up and comment down below. How do you guys think I did? You guys have officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if